Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles. Come join me this time as we unbox and take a closer look at this 2022 Toyota Innova, a super white pearl color by PARA64. Okay, this is my first video for 2026. Long overdue. Nonetheless, here we are. Welcome 2026. And to start it off with this new model from PARA64, Paragon Models. Okay. First off, this is a blind box. Okay. Not unlike other PARA64 models, just like this one. Okay. Comes in a windowed box sleeve with an acrylic cover, acrylic base, clear acrylic cover. You could see the model right away. Unlike this one, we're in a blind box, but it's already stated here that this one is the super white pearl color. And also this Toyota Innova came out with a different color variant, the Attitude Black. Okay, but for this video we're going to unbox and open the white variant. Okay, before we open this, take a look at the box. Okay, it says Toyota Innova on this side. As you've seen here, it's a half image of a Toyota Innova, and there's the other half, the front and rear half. Okay, I posted a teaser photo of this in my Facebook page. Okay, there you have it. You can have it like that or like that. Anyway, more on the box. Okay, box is sealed with plastic shrink wrap. Okay. It says here the usual stuff. Warning stuff here with different languages. Okay, and on this side, on the bottom, says 2025 Special Projects 3 PARA64 Paragon Models Toyota official license product. Okay, this is distributed exclusively by Hobby Forever. Okay, well, let's open this one up. And as always, while we opening this one up, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook and Instagram pages for more diecast pics and reels. And I'm really excited to open this one up since I've been late. Everyone has already opened and unboxed their Toyota Innova by PARA64. Okay, so there you have it. Let's open this one up. Okay, just like other sealed boxes from Mini GT and other models. Okay, oh, very nice. Nothing else in the box. Set this one aside. Model sits on a plastic mold made for the model itself. Okay, here we are. This is the Toyota Innova by PARA64. Very, very nice. Okay, let's do this. Okay. As I said, this is the global exclusive super white pearl color, full die-cast body. Okay, metal base. Yes, that's a metal one. Okay. First off, model rolls smoothly. And also I would like to mention that for 2026, okay, I got a new parking mat here. Okay, You might have noticed. Okay, that's a new one. Okay, and really good. Okay, model has some weight to it. Okay, it's kind of heavy. Not that light and not too heavy, but more on the heavy side. Okay, anyway, start off with the wheels. Okay, wheels are plastic wrapped in rubber threaded tires. Okay, the design is very good. Okay, wheel design is very good. Two-toned black and silver on all four wheels. Okay, as you can see, there's a 5 studs. Okay, just like the real Innova models, right? Just like the real Innova car. Okay, well, this is, before we delve deeper, okay, this model is based on the second gen, the Toyota Innova. Okay, and this is the facelift edition. Okay, here's an image of a second gen 2 Toyota Innova. Okay, before this one. This is the facelift edition. Okay, and more tidbits. This Toyota Innova is a MPV, or multi-purpose vehicle. Okay, and here in the Philippines, this is one of the top 10 most sold cars. Okay, for 2025. Okay, really, you could see a ton of this on the roads here in the Philippines. Okay, so that's the Toyota Innova. Now let's go to the model itself. Okay, let's go on the sides. Okay, on the sides, really nice panel lines, not too deep, not too shallow. The fuel tank cover, there you go, good panel lines. And also from the bumper, both on the front and the rear. Okay, windows are clear, plastic with black details on this. Okay, the trims, okay, part of the mold, the plastic mold, very good. And also side mirrors are, ooh, that's nice. This is the rubber type. Okay, so you don't get to break this one easily. Okay, there you have it. It's a rubber one. Okay, painted in black and white. Okay, and has a silver paint on the side for the repeaters. Okay, and side mirrors, oh, fortunately side mirrors are not, I don't know if it's clear. Okay, no silver sticker or paint on the side mirrors. Nonetheless, not a deal breaker. Okay, very good on this side. Okay, moving on to the front. Okay, front grille, front fascia. Okay, so as I've said, this is the facelift version. Okay, as you can see, very good details on the front grills with the Toyota logo. Okay, we got silver paint here to represent the chrome molds on the real car itself. Okay, bumper is part of the body. Okay, with some details on them. Got auxiliary lamps on both sides, and this one also has details on them. Okay, I think these are auxiliary lamps as well. Okay, very good color separation on that. Okay, headlights are plastic inserts with some very good details on the inside. Ooh, as you can see, it's like quad LED lamps. Okay, and the headlights have some silver trims or details on them as well. Okay, moving on to the hood. Okay, not much on the hood, but very good. You can see very good pearl white paint finish to it. And moving on to the windshield. Okay, windshield is clear, plastic. You can see very well inside, This one is a left-hand drive model. Okay, for really good. Okay, left-hand model, similar to the Toyota Innovas that you see running around here in the Philippines. Okay, details on the inside dashboard, as you can see, there's some details on there for the grills. Okay, dashboard grills in there, and also part of the windshield are the wipers painted in black. Okay, moving on to the roof. Roof has some details on them. Very good. Okay, very nice. And also the shark fin antenna at the back. Okay. Now moving on. This Toyota Innova has a rear spoiler. Okay. Part of the mold, diecast metal, painted in same color as the body, the pearl white, and also has some details. Okay. Supposedly there's need to be a third brake light here, but oh, there you go. It's not painted red, painted silver. Okay, that one. Okay. Now for the rear view mirror, or rather the rear window. Okay. No details except for the rear wiper. It's part of the mold. Same details on the back. Okay. There's some black details on the rear window. Okay, moving on to the tail lights. Tail lights are very good. Clear plastic inserts, colored ones. Okay, red ones and the white one for reverse lights, the brake light. There you go. Look at those tail lights. Very good details in them. Okay, and also Toyota logo on the tailgate, on the rear door. Okay, there's a license plate. It says Innova, and also there's this silver decal. It says Innova on this side, and on this side it says 2.0G. Okay, so this is the G variant. Okay, Toyota Innovas come with different variants here in the Philippines. You got the J, the E, and the G. Okay, this is the G variant. Okay, more on like the top of the line variant. Okay, moving on. Rear bumper, not much details except for this red. I think these are reflectors. Okay. Okay, very nice. Now, moving on to the, before we go into that, moving on to the interiors. Okay, I don't know if you can clearly see it. Okay, interiors are colored black, unfortunately. Okay, too bad it's in black. You cannot see the very good details on the interiors. Okay, dashboard is painted, or rather is detailed, as well as the steering wheel. Okay, very good details on that. Front seats, and also on the rear seats, and on the third row, I guess there are no seats there. Nonetheless, on the real Innova, there's a third row seat there. Okay, bench type third row seat. Anyway, really good details on that. Okay, moving on to the base. As I mentioned earlier, this is a metal base. Yeah, it says 1/64 scale Toyota Innova, the PARA64 logo, made in China, and some details. Okay, not that great, but still very good. See the rear axle, the crankshaft, catalytic converter, and the front axle. Okay, this one doesn't come with the solid axle. Okay, the real car doesn't have one. It's an IFS, or independent front suspension. Okay, there's also a detail here which represents the spare tire. Okay, part of the mold of the metal base. Okay, I'm really happy. Really good. This one's really good. I really like this. Has some weight to it and very good. Okay, I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see more details on this. Okay, I'm going to do a wheel swap on this soon. Okay, trying to look for a good wheel set for this one. Okay, so once again, a very good model from Paragon 64. As I've mentioned earlier, leave this on the turntable for everyone to see. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.